Oh boy, I don't know how people do this YouTube stuff. It's way too hard for me. Hi, my name is Michael, and as you can see by my tie, I am a trained professional. Now I bet you're wondering, Michael, why do you have a mirror in a cardboard box behind you? Let me tell you why. Introducing the state-of-the-art smart mirror. Definitely stole off YouTube, but we don't need to worry about that. It's a mirror that tells you that you look good. What's the purpose other than that? Absolutely nothing. It just looks cool. And you can like kind of show it to your friends and I bet you're wondering, how did I make it? Well, easy. Look, I took these things right there and I just kind of just like that. And that. And that's what you get. I don't know what else to say about it. It's not really all that. The heart of the project lies in this thing right here. A whole bunch of code goes into a card, powers the whole thing up, makes it look nice. This is what it seems like. But this is what it's actually like. All right, but enough of the fancy smancy stuff. Let's make this bad boy look good. And that's it, folks. That's what you get when you combine YouTube, quarantine, and boredom. Now, if you excuse me, I'm gonna go look at myself in the mirror.